Hey guys, and welcome back to the Yearbook Advisers YouTube channel. So today we're going to go over how to do the feather effect on a photo in Photoshop and then upload it to eDesign. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to open up your image by going to File, Open, and then you are going to select your image. And I've already opened up my photo for this tutorial, which is of a football player. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to convert your photo to black and white if you're going to be using a black and white image. So going to Image, Adjustments, and then going to black and white will convert the entire photo to a black and white image. And press OK. The next thing you're going to do is add the feather effect, which is actually pretty easy to do. So you are going to go to a toolbar on the left side, and you're going to click on the Marquee Tool. And in the top bar, you have the option to add a feather effect. And so for the purpose of this tutorial, I chose 25 pixels, but you can change that to whatever size you want. And so once you go to your image, select the part of the image that you want to add the feather effect to. And just a warning, if you go from edge to edge to edge, you can't add that feather effect. So just give yourself a little bit of room on the edges to add that cool effect. So select that part. If you know the keyboard functions, you can use keyboard functions, but for everyone else, you can go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. And then the one thing you're going to notice is, where did my feather effect go? That's because you still have your background image in the background. So what you have to do is you have to go to your layers, which is on the right hand side, and see how you have two images overlaying each other. You want to select the background image and put that in the garbage can. And now you have that feather effect. One thing you should notice is that you should have a checkered board pattern in your background. That means that it's transparent behind it, so that feather effect will now go into effect if you overlay other photos that have that same feather effect on the edges. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Save As, and here's the most important thing. You need to go to Format, and you need to scroll down to PNG, because PNGs will keep that transparent background for when you upload it to eDesign. And I've already saved my photo, so I'm just gonna go on over to eDesign. So I am in my eDesign book. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Library. You're going to go to Images, and you're going to import the image that you created. And I've already browsed and uploaded my image. And now in my library, I have my feathered effect photo. So when you go back to your book and you scroll to a blank page, I'm just going to scroll down to page 70 and 71, and I click on Edit. You can now see that these two photos both have that feather effect, but the edges look like they're blurred. Well, hope this was helpful, and if you have any other questions, you can check us out at www.yearbookadvisers.com or check us out on Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest.